When it comes to home or office, the need for a phone charger can be quite a hilarious thing. Uh, we always lose our phone chargers. I mean, I know my son is constantly stealing mine. I know at the office, sometimes keeping it in place can be a little bit annoying. So this lock socket is specifically designed to keep your charger from disappearing. They have them available in Samsung model as well as your Apple traditional models. The reason being is that the cord goes out in different directions depending on which one you have. So the Samsung one that you normally would be able to purchase comes out on the side, whereas the Apple one comes out on the back. So depending on what type of charger you need, get the one that's associated with it. But this one here is specifically for the Samsung. Okay. So the design of the unit is that you would place, it's so funny, you'd place the cord through here, then sink in the back of the charger to here, and then you would take the screw out of the light socket, and you would then place this through it. They even give you a little Allen wrench keyed specifically to their screws, so you can screw it into the place. So you're actually replacing the screw in the light socket, so they can't take the screw out and take your charger. That's funny. This is great for communal spaces. This is great for people who are a little possessive, and then people who are just tired of losing their chargers. So we're gonna take this. We're gonna set this up, show you what it looks like, and we'll be back. Hopefully you found that helpful. Again, I really think this is going to be a nice tool, especially for like workplaces or for possessive people, just to make sure that you're not going to lose your charger. Well, we'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe.